In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert USDT TRC20 in Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To convert USDT TRC20 in Trust Wallet, you will need to use a decentralized exchange known as a DEX or a bridge. So here's a video for a general approach. If you want to use a DEX, install a dApp browser. Once you have the dApp browser added to your Trust Wallet, search for a DEX that supports TRC20 tokens and the desired conversion pair. So popular options will include PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and others. Connect your wallet, and once the Trust Wallet is connected to the DEX, you will be able to choose USDT TRC20 as the token that you want to convert and the desired target token. Once you have selected a token, for example, USDT ERC20, you will be able to review the transaction details, include the fees, and confirm the swap. Once this is done, you should be able to convert it successfully. Alternatively, if you want to use a bridge, search for a bridge that supports TRC20 to ERC20 conversions. Popular options will include All Bridge, Portal Bridge, and others. Once again, connect your Trust Wallet to the bridge, choose USDT TRC20 as the token source and USDT ERC20 as the target token. Specify the amount that you want to convert and repeat the same steps as last time. So review the transaction details, including the fees, and confirm the bridge. Be aware of any possible network fees associated with both the DEX and the bridge. They can vary depending on the network congestion, and always double check the contract addresses and transaction details to avoid scams and unauthorized access. DEX may have slippage, which means you might receive slightly less of the target token than expected due to market volatility. So make sure that you go through all of this. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect USDT TRC20 in Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.